massage, warm bath, holiday in after dark. Do I care if I despise this